Hey guys, it's me, Aries and Aniah again. This is Aniah.
Hi.
And this is me. Hi. Okay, and today we're going to be fidget trading.
Yes, you can see all my puppets and all my stuffed animals.
We don't have the fidget trading like paper right now because
It's in the garage.
yeah,
I made it.
we can't get it. So, let's go. Can I offer for you a burger?
My
Poppet?
burger puppet?
Yeah. Can I offer this? My really fun
Add.
toy.
Add.
Huh? I'll add my fidget spinner.
Correct.
Accept?
Yes.
Accept. Thank you.
But we were like doing the game.
look at
We
this.
were doing the game thing. Guys, don't forget we're doing the game. We're just doing
So
the
fun.
game. I have a lot of fidgets.
Can I offer for your simple dimple? Or both of them? Can I offer this for your simple dimple?
Yes.
There you go.
Thank you.
Oh, I got two simple dimples.
So perfect. I love this.
So fun. Can I offer for your pineapple poppet and the Rubik's Cube?
Oh, of course.
I'll add this. Two simple dimples. I'll add this.
Do you have another one?
No, I don't. What? I have this.
Oh, can you give me it, please?
My friend is good. Sure. Yes.
Yes, this is so fun.
This is so fun. And look at my Rubik's Cube.
Hey, can I have that Rubik's Cube pineapple instead?
You want the pineapple?
Yeah.
What would you add? Can you add?
Here is
Like,
my
this is really
koala.
rare.
My koalas.
Can you add? I really like this. Accept.
Here you go.
Yes, I got this. Ah! And I got my fidget spinner. Yeah, I'm so excited. Bye. Say bye, Naya.
Bye.
And bye. Peace.